Last year, the welding program took on a project that would allow students to gain new skills and knowledge outside of their typical classroom environment.
So we found this trailer in an old farmer's field. He had had it for a long time. It turns out that it had caught on fire. It was in really, really rough shape. I mean, it was halfway into the ground, completely rotted out. The boards were burnt up and missing.
The program obtained this trailer at the start of the third trimester of last year. All of the students pulled their weight to get this trailer restored just before the end of the year.
Everybody did have a hand on it. This was the first time we brought a trailer in, and everybody was super, super excited, so why not have everybody have a chance at it? We're so used to welding in a booths and welding in perfect situations on nice, clean metal, and this was a great opportunity to show them what real life welding outside of the booth would be like.
We got to basically cut out new pieces and weld and fix old welds and put new wood on it, and basically you start from nothing and you work your way up to something nice, and that's a good skill to have.
The community was very generous in the process of this rebuild. Different businesses from around the county pitched in to help out.
So we had a few sponsors for this project. All of this wood decking was donated from Chelsea Lumber. The tires were heavily discounted from Bridgewater Tire Co.
This process helps students to see what the workforce really looks like and what kinds of things they can do to make a living after high school.
There's people out there that make a whole business out of just buy and resell, and that's kind of what we were doing. We bought it, refurbished the whole thing, put money into materials, averaged out the cost, and next thing you know, you sell it at an auction, Facebook, wherever you want. You could really make a legitimate business out of it.
After all of their hard work, they've decided to sell the trailer to raise money for the program. So if you or someone you know is in need of a trailer, make sure to head over and check it out. Reporting on the trailer restoration, I'm Noah Greenleaf for SHS Today. Back to you in the studio.